making cinnamon rolls and showing how you two into Christmas trees, reindeer, snowman, maybe some other fun stuff for the holidays. Bye! Let's get started.
Let's go. Super easy. We're gonna start with jumbo cinnamon rolls. You gotta get the jumbo ones because they unfold really easily so you can reshape them into the fun shapes. So we are gonna open the cinnamon rolls. Whoa. Okay, we've got our cinnamon rolls. We're gonna separate each one out. Take each one and roll it out just a little bit to where you can then just zigzag the cinnamon roll into the tree shape. It's as easy as that. And then you'll place it over on your baking pan. Bryce, you want to come do one?
Sure.
Okay, you do that one. I'm going to do this one. So again, you roll it out a little bit. You'll zigzag it so that it forms the layers of the tree and has its little point to it like a triangle. And then place it on your baking sheet. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
One more time. We're going to unfold a little bit and then and you want it to kind of go from big on the bottom to small on the top. Very good, Bryce. Okay, place it on the pan. As you're transferring them to the pan, just kind of shape them and make sure it's all tight and in place and kind of point the top there so that it sticks together as much as possible as the cinnamon rolls bake and rise. Then again, just squeeze them together. They'll, of course, fluff up real nicely. And there we go. Now we're ready to bake them. Okay, about halfway through the baking time, pull them out and you can just kind of reshape them a little bit so that they maintain that cone or Christmas tree look. And if you just touch them, just don't touch the pan, but you can pull them apart and just, if they need it, reshape them just a little bit. You could use a spoon or a spatula to do it as well. And now we're taking them back to the oven. On top. I'm going to show you how to turn a cinnamon roll into an adorable snowman cinnamon roll. Super easy. You need a jumbo cinnamon roll, unfold it, and then roll it tightly about 5 times for the base. And then you're going to cut it and leave it there. Then you're going to take the rest and roll it about 4 times. 2, 3, and 4 for the middle. And seal it, just kind of seal it in place there. And then for the head or the top, you'll just kind of secure it in. And there is your little snowman. So it'll bake up nice and big into 3 little rolls that are connected together.